guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth bonus box and the September box. So the bonus box you get twice a year, so every 6 months, and it comes with a bunch of extras that are not included in your typical monthly recipe box, but it also comes with the recipe box for that month. So here's the recipe box, and then some of the extras. You get coconut oil, 12 ounces of that. You also get beeswax. And then under all the little paper protected stuff, there is some liquid coconut oil, some almond oil, and then a bunch of rollers and different empty bottles. Kind of send them all at once so that you have them. So there's 6 of the rollers and 6 containers. That one has its lid off. There we go. And these you can use for all sorts of recipes, diffuser blends, stuff like that. So that is the bonus box. And again, you get that twice a year. And then I'll put that aside and we'll go over the September box. So on top of your monthly box, you always get stickers for all the products inside the recipes. That way you can label them. And then the recipe cards are next. So this month, Defeat the Reek Diffuser blend. So that one has clove, lemon, eucalyptus, and blood orange. I bet that smells really good. On the back of each card, it has additional information. This one says questions about this month's box. They have a blog, an FAQ page. The next one is a mini car diffuser. Oh, that's cool. They give you little felt wool balls. And then, yeah, you can make those. Cool. That one also has blood orange and lemon eucalyptus. And on the back of that card, a note from Katie. There's one of those every month. I'll pause that in case you want to read. Don't bug me, roll on. Lemon, eucalyptus, and clove. October sneak peek DIY spa day. Very cool. It tells you what your extras are and some more information about that. No stink disc. These are all very simple, easy to make recipes. You're changing the world with Exodus Cry. So every month there's a charity that 13% of the profits go to. So a card on the back of it will tell you what that is and a little bit more information about that charity. Smell Fresh body spray. That's pretty neat. Just shake it and spray it to deodorize yourself. And then there's a promo code on the back of this one. Well, how you can get, there's a referral program, so how you can get your box discounted. And I have a gift card promo code below if you want to join, you're not already subscribed. I'll put all that in the information box below. Drawer Deodorizer. And on the back of that one, all the essential oils for this month. It lists if they're kid safe, pregnancy safe, safe for pets like dogs and cats, and I really like that. It's my favorite newer edition. They've been doing that for a little while now. So some of the extras on the side, this cute little bag, and that has the wool balls in there. Those are cute. There's a pink, a blue, and a yellow. I think I'm definitely gonna make that for the car for sure. And an empty spray bottle. Probably for that deodorizer one. And then the 4 essential oils that you get every month. So the first one is clove. Next, Defender. So sometimes you do get blends. This one has cinnamon, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and clove. Then we have blood orange and the lemon eucalyptus. Very nice. So that's what I got in my September box and my bonus box. If you guys would like to join, like I said, I have that promo code. I'll list below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.